Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're at Aventura Hotel on the property of Universal Orlando. We are staying in it's a Skyliner view room. Let's go in and check it out, guys. As we enter in, Jake will assist. And if you're in, specific room 1139. And we also have Roberta with us today. So guys, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna give you a full tour of the room. And we're also going to add onto this video a review of the room when we're ready to check out. But let's start right away with the tour of the room. So as you come in, don't mind us, we just put our luggage here to the side. There is an adjoining room here, so you have the door. Over here, full-length mirror. Don't forget, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. All off, all on. So there's something very cool about this room, which we'll get to in a minute, and you'll understand what this is all about. But anyway, you got this little sconce light. And you walk in and it's just a very open, simple, plain looking room. No artwork anywhere, very modern. I'll kind of show you what it looks like from this side. You have your bathroom here. Starts off with the sink, which is always nice to have this split like this. That way somebody can utilize the sink as somebody else is showering or using the bathroom. You got your towels on the side there. Got some a hair dryer, a couple disposable cups, extra toilet paper, garbage can, and then this does slide like this. And as you walk in, you can see just it's very simple and modern, and it's all white. So you have the toilet, and then you have the shower. You have one little hook here. You have your bath towels. This sliding shower door. You have a clothesline you can utilize. Do have some amenities there. And the shower head looks like you can have a couple different functions on that shower head. What do you think, Roberta, of this room? What's your first impression?
It looks modern. That's what it is, yeah.
Yeah.
Show like the hair
Very cool.
dryer.
Yes, we got the hair dryer, we got everything. This is how we vlog on Medling World, guys. We keep it real. Join our subscribers. Welcome to Medling World. We're just real people with a real channel, and that's the way we do it. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers. We're almost there. In fact, maybe by the time you watch it, we're real close. You got a nice iron there. You got some hangers. You have it. Ironing board, a luggage rack. This is very open, so you could actually open up that luggage rack and set your luggage right inside. Some extra linens. Coming around on this side, Roberta, go right ahead. You got your coffee service here.
Yeah.
We have a refrigerator, a little mini fridge. Keep your beverage cold there, or some snacks that you might have had left over. What do we got up here? Oh, okay, good. Safe. Couple shelves. Also have a light. This looks like some kind of a speaker. Not exactly sure if that's like maybe for sound, Bluetooth. I'm not positive what that's for. We'll have to figure that out. It might have something to do with this cool tablet, which kind of, as I was showing you guys the all on, all off, this controls everything in the room, including your TV, which is off right now. So there's no traditional remote control for the TV. You can control everything in the room by this. All your lights, all the things you want. You can request amenities.
I don't think we can control the curtains.
Yeah, maybe not the curtains, but for the most part, anything electronic, it does the thermostat, it does the lights. So anything electronic anyway, it's pretty neat.
So let's show one. The room controls. Let's do temperature. Okay.
So as you can see, I'll just show you. It's 71. And as you change this, you can see it go up. Put it, you guys can see that all right? Yeah. Move it around, so now back. So yeah, you can control everything there. Very cool. Then you got a TV. You got a big desk, big long desk. You got a chair. Again, very modern, very simple.
There's three
drawers.
Three drawers. And this one here.
And again, look at the natural lighting that can come into this room. huge windows, full length windows. All this whole wall is all window. Another like very cool looking light. And a nice view of Cabana Bay there, which we do have a full vlog and room tour of Cabana Bay if you're interested. And as they say, this is a skyline view. You can see Volcano Bay there. And of course, we are in Orlando. This is a city area, so. Although there is some country out there as well, lots of trees. You got two, these look like queen size beds, don't they?
Even though it's like off the floor, I don't think it fits the luggage there.
No, they're not elevated enough for luggage. A lot of the resorts now are a little bit higher. You can put your luggage underneath, but that is a very big closet. And I think the idea is you put all your luggage in there and you keep everything nice and organized. I would say these are queen size beds. They don't look like a king.
Yeah.
No, queen.
Queens. We have your phone here for any services you need. Some outlets. I gotta go check over on the desk for outlets. We got here, Jake. A drawer there. And does that open up? No. Okay. And the headboard is kind of neat. It goes the whole length of the back wall. And then a couple of the small lights.
Yeah, there was some.
And we'll have to figure out what this is. Maybe in the review we'll figure it out by then. And then a couple more outlets here, guys. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and we're going to stay. And then we're going to give you our review of the room. Actually, vlog time, 2 seconds. And vlog time, 2 seconds. It's time for the review of the room. I hope you enjoyed the tour.
Yeah.
Could I start this time, guys?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'd like to start by pointing out the tablet because it's fresh on my mind.
Yeah.
The tablet is very cool. It's awesome. You control everything, including the TV. There's no remote for the TV. This is your remote. The lights, some of them you have to use this, like these. Well, I guess you don't. Well, maybe.
No, you can turn that off.
Yeah, there's like a dimmer. But for the lights, for instance, over here, we're getting ready to go, not a big deal. There's no switch here. So you would have to use the tablet to turn, as Jake just did. Yeah. So the entry lights and this light, they call this the vestibule. The bathroom light does have a switch. This one is not controlled by the tablet. That one is a switch. These other ones, this one, tablet, this one does have a touch point right here if you want. And the ones on the side of the bed are not controlled by the tablet. They have a...
You got control of the tablet.
This one is too?
Yeah. Isn't it, Jake?
Let's try. I don't think they were. No. Jake's going to try. These, I believe, are manual.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, these are manual. But the tablet is... The tablet basically controls...
Oh, that's what it is, the alarm.
And we did just figure this out, that it is an alarm.
Yeah.
So it's a clock without a clock. It's just an alarm. So you can set the alarm here. The tablet is cool, but you're Jake's age? Oh yeah, it's great. Yeah, do. The TV is kind of neat because when you are doing the TV, it's got all the channels, just the network. So you just like, if you want to watch TNT, you hit TNT. It is neat. It's cool, but sometimes I just want a little remote. But I did like the tablet. It was kind of nice to have it. We ordered you. If you watch our regular vlog, our stay vlog, our experience, we ordered some things with the tablet. It's pretty cool. It is fun.
We was trying to get the robot.
The robot didn't come. We were kind of disappointed. That's why we were dry. We wanted the robot to come.
We want the robot.
We ordered like some coffee and some soap.
To see for the robot.
Noise levels, I didn't mind it. You can, like at night, it's kind of neat to me to hear like cars kind of going by. You could like motorcycles and things that were a little louder. You could hear them going by at night, even with these windows. I could also hear at night.
I did mind.
Roberta did mind.
Yeah.
I could hear as well doors shutting.
Yeah.
Now I didn't hear like rooms next door.
Next door, no.
That could be possible. There might not be anybody next door.
Yeah.
So noise-wise, you could hear a little bit on the outside of the room, but that does happen in a lot of resorts.
Yeah.
And it wasn't extreme for me.
Yeah. Jake, how you like it? How was the noise?
I couldn't hear anything at all, me personally.
Yeah. There's a trick you can do too. What I do is, if you don't mind the TV on at night, if you just put the volume enough, just so you can kind of hear it a little bit, it does kind of drown out noise, and it helps me sleep like that.
Yeah.
So I don't mind having a TV on with a little bit of background noise, and it kind of just puts you can call white noise, right? Is what they call it, a little bit of background noise. I did like the room, but we're gonna get into our resort and things like that. How we felt about the resort. The room was cool. It was a cool room, very cool. Basic and streamlined,
very clean
and modern.
But there was a few things that, like the small things, but like the shower doesn't have a hook by the when you open the shower door, so you have to like literally go out to. But like I said, they are small things, but it's like. It's a cool room. Yes, it's the bed. It's a bed that's like more towards the firm side than it is like soft.
Not bad though.
I didn't mind. But like I said, it's basic. It's very basic.
It's a basic room.
It's very spacious. It's a very spacious room. So if you have like 4 people in here, it's a lot of space.
Not a lot of sitting area though, because you just get this one seat and then that. But I mean, I mean, I did like the room. I thought it was a decent room.
Yeah.
You guys all agree?
Yeah.
And we'll get into it. I mean, please take a moment, subscribe so that you can watch our immersive, vlog of staying here, because we have a lot of opinions about the resort as a whole and whether you might like it or not. But other than that, I think that wraps it up.
Yes.
Overall, I think that it is a decent room.
Yeah.
For the price, now listen, the price point on this room can be anywhere. You can get deals where it's below $100 a night, or all the way up. You could get up into almost $350, $400, depending on time of the year. So you got to check your discounts. You got to check if you're a Florida resident, a pass holder, team members. Fluctuates quite a bit, day of the week, time of the year. So it's hard to tell you how much the room will be, because it will fluctuate. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World.
Yeah.
Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. We keep it real. Last but not least, see ya!